Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll just see the unboxing, we can say, because this didn't come with the package. This is the bathroom stool, we can say, or the restroom stool, which is small in size. See here. Okay, this is most probably for the younger age. So yeah, but it is durable. It is durable. I receive most of the comments asking me about this durability here. See, if you observe, the weight is lightweight only, but it is hard plastic sort of material, we can say. Not that weak material, but it is hard material. Yes, we can use for a longer period of time, means years we can use, as far as I feel. But remember, I didn't buy this from the online store, but I bought this from the offline store, which is near my place, and I'll mention you the price also. I don't know how much it is costing on the online, so those who don't have the availability near your offline stores can go for the online stores. I'll tag the products here. And between, yeah, the durability is good, and the color, it is glossy and shiny finish. The red and the both white, both are the glossy finish, and it is appealing. First of all, it is durable. Second one, it is the look it is giving to the hall. Just I kept it on my hall. The look it is giving is pretty good. But one thing is, when I want to sit on this, the height from the ground level, see here, the height from the ground level is very low, so I had to sit a very low level, so this is not suitable for me. Yeah, the people who are over 20 may not be that much good, but I sat on this, it is okay, but I felt this is not exactly for me. So yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can ask on the comment section, so I'll try to reply you immediately. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, post in the comments.